Hi everyone, this is Adina. In this video, we will mainly talk about technology-enhanced instruction. So here is the questionnaire I made based on the ISTE standard. So basically I interviewed 3 teachers at my school. 2 of them are actually from 1st grade and the other is from 3rd grade. So let's get started by looking at their answers first. So just a brief summary in terms of their answers. First, these 3 teachers, they both agreed the importance of leverage technology in their daily teaching. They think PD is a good way for them to get to know the latest technology that helps with their teaching, and they also make sure they're getting up to date with the latest technologies by learning from other teachers. They introduced me some of their software applications or websites they use for teaching. And one of the website is called Plickers. It basically helps them doing designing some formative assessment. Apps like RazKids help students to reading books at their own level. Before they start, they will make clear expectations to the students in terms of what they can do and what they cannot do with the technology to help students to responsibly participate in this digital world. What's more, like in 1st grade, because students haven't learned how to do research yet, but teachers will encourage them to solve the problems by thinking about what they can do first. And at 3rd grade, they will have a technology teacher to teach students how to organize the information they searched. So when I look at the challenges for them, one of the teachers mentioned that she wants to try and explore more apps in teaching, and it might cost some money, and she also wants to know more about how to be more efficient in making the most of the technologies they are currently using. The other 2 teachers mentioned about the Wi-Fi connection problems at school. So we'll move to the next part. So here is the weekly lesson plan by one of the teachers I interviewed called Miss Bagley. She is teaching 3rd grade. So we will basically look at the columns here. We'll mainly look at here in this column. I've already used the red circles to circle out the technologies they're using now. One is the a video link on YouTube that helps them to achieve their target, and the other here this link is to download some interactive model for students, and this is the PowerPoint they used during the class. So these are the 3 technologies she used for planning her lessons. So while they're watching the videos, she will come up some questions to ask to the students to let them more engaged. And after they watched the videos, students were making notes based on the PowerPoint which she showed. I think which is really useful. Like students will take whatever they think is necessary, whatever they think is important on their science journals. So it's kind of like learning on it's kind of like creating a personalized learning experience for them. And if you look at the activity here, so this activity I think is like a very good example, like for teachers to modeling how to solve the real world problems. So these are something I found which is quite good in terms of integrate technology in your lesson plans by looking at her lesson plan. The suggestions I'm going to make, I think it will be collecting debate data by using some of the technologies that will like not consuming a lot of time. Save time, and also save time for record their data. And teachers can also try to like design some formative assessments with utilizing some technologies to like giving feedback to the students, making more suggestions. I think that will be useful. And then since they already like modeling how to solve the real world problem, maybe we can just have some little discuss about the real world problems, and like giving examples, or let them try it out and showing them, okay, and so that's the issues we are really facing at the moment in the 21st century. So here is the lesson plans, the checklist for the lesson plans, which is from Samuel. So I looked at his and I just make a little bit adjustment on it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.